Hello friends, in today's video we are going to create a new database in Oracle Primavera P6 Professional 25.12. First we will open Primavera P6 software P6 and we want to open P6 Professional 25. On this window, we will click on Edit Database Configuration. Here you can see that some databases already have been created. So we want to create a new database. We will click on Add. In driver type, we will select P6 Professional Standalone. Here you can see there are two options: add a connection to an existing standalone database, and second one is add a new standalone database. We will choose second one. Here we will write database name Primavera P625. Click on next. Next one is password. Again next. So we will uncheck this option. We should save the file in a drive other than C. We will select drive D. Here we will add database name. Database name is Primavera 25. Click on save. Again click on save. Okay. Close. Next we will click on advanced, and here you can see there are different databases. So we want to open Primavera 25. Enter the password. Next connect. Click on OK. Now you can see new database Primavera P6 Primavera 25 is ready for working. And if you want to check the release, go to help and click on about P6 Professional. We are using Primavera P6 Professional 25.12. Thank you for watching this video.